So today we are making for the tandoori gobi. For the tandoori gobi, I am adding a salt to taste. So this is for chili powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, tandoori color, this is 1 spoon of cooking oil. So you want to add a curd, we can add a curd. So just we can do for the marination. So this is marination for 1 hour. So just rub it and keep. So it will be good for the even mixing on that. So 300 grams tandoori. So mixed, it's marination for the 1 hour. Now I can use it for the high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. So just we can spread it on this. So here I can use it for high grill rack with a multi-cook pan. Keep it inside. So here I can select for the charcoal. So this is, it will become for the 1/4. So I get for the 300 grams start. So by default it's take for 16 minutes. Okay, so your tandoori gobi is ready. It will be there in the last 30 seconds will be there. So whenever it will become for the beep, in between once the beep will become. Once the beep will become, you open the door and stir it and keep it back again. Okay. So now, here, your tandoori gobi is ready. So it will be cooked nicely. Okay. Thank you.